Hey guys, welcome to a video. I'm just trying to tell you guys that it's gonna be my birthday. I'm vlogging my birthday. I have a pizza. I have a pizza. It's gonna be my birthday and it's 11th right now, and it's gonna be posted. Well, it's the 12th pretty much right now, so it'll be posted around, the 12th. Today's my uncle's birthday. Yesterday was my brother's birthday. No, 3 days ago was my brother's birthday. 4 days ago was my sister's birthday. And now, in 9 days, I'm having my birthday party. And then in 13 days, I'm having my birthday. Like, my actual birthday, so it's weird. But for my birthday, me and my mom are going to go and get me. Okay, so I went to Logang merch. Because I'm in the Logang. I'm a Logang Poller. And I wanted some merch, but my mom and dad wouldn't let me because the book bag was $70. And I wanted the shirt too and stuff. And they wouldn't let me get it, but they would let me get a parrot. So I'm going to get me a parakeet. So I'm just making this to inform you guys, but I will vlog when we're getting it, like right after we get it, like in the car when we're driving home from the pet store. So yeah, pizza. So bye guys.